Welcome to our channel. Today we how to disable LinkedIn missing profile info pop-ups detailed guide step by step clearly. To begin, log in to your LinkedIn account. Once you're on your home page, navigate to your profile by clicking on your profile picture or the me icon in the top right corner. Next, locate the Edit Public Profile and URL option on the right side of the screen and click on it. In the pop-up that appears, look for the Edit Visibility section. Here, find the Your Profile's Public Visibility toggle. Switch this toggle to Off to hide your profile from public view. This action helps minimize pop-ups related to missing profile information. Now, return to your profile page. Scroll down and check if any of the sections indicate missing information. If you see a section with a pop-up, click on the pencil icon next to it. You can add the necessary information or simply ignore it if you're not ready to update. For an additional layer of control, access the Settings menu by clicking on the me icon again. Select Settings and Privacy from the drop-down. In the left sidebar, click on Privacy. Scroll down to How Others See Your LinkedIn Activity section. Adjust the settings for profile viewing options to be more private. This will reduce the frequency of pop-ups related to profile completeness. Finally, make sure to save all changes before exiting. You have now successfully disabled the annoying missing profile info pop-ups on LinkedIn. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.